Hi, this is Adam from Valley Physical Therapy and Sports Performance, and I wanted to take a minute just to discuss neck pain. I'm guessing if you had neck pain, you probably experienced one of these two things or both. One, that you found it difficult to find a good sleeping position because of your neck, or two, you've awakened with more neck pain in the morning after sleeping. Well, there are two simple things I'm going to discuss that can help you. Number one, sleep a little bit better when you have neck pain. And number two, make sure that neck pain is not worse in the morning. The first thing I want to discuss is the positioning of your head and neck. I'm going to show you a couple of examples of what that looks like when lying on your side and when lying on your back. The second thing we're going to discuss is proper support for your neck while sleeping. Let's see what those look like now. So when you're lying on your side, we want to make sure your head and neck is in a neutral position. What this means is you don't want the pillow so thick that your head is being pushed up away from the bed, and you don't want your pillow so thin or so flat that your head is being bent down to the side. We want your head and neck to be in a straight line. The same holds true for when you're on your back. When you're lying on your back, we don't want your pillow so thick that it's pushing your head and neck up into flexion. And we don't want your pillow so thin that it's allowing your head and neck to fall back, putting a strong stretch on these muscles in the front of the neck. Now, in regards to proper support for the neck, in most cases, with most people, the head's going to be a little bit thicker than the neck. So when the head touches the pillow, there will generally be some free space between the neck and the pillow unless we've done something to take up that space. So there are a couple different things you can do with this. Number one is you can bunch your pillow up down toward the neck to make sure you fill that space and properly support the neck and the head. Or you can even take a small towel roll and roll that up, place it inside the pillowcase so it doesn't move throughout the night, and then this can provide proper support for the neck. Here's what that looks like. So that's it. Those are two quick, easy ways that you can make sure that you sleep better when you're having neck pain, and you can make sure you wake up with a little less neck pain. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to check back for more PT tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.